Do you remember the famous story, given you're Scottish, about one of the greatest football managers of all time, Alex Ferguson, the hairdryer treatment? And they used to say his leadership was unique because he knew who needed the hairdryer treatment and he knew who needed an arm around the shoulders. But I think even Alex would probably agree that he's a command and control leader. It's his way or the highway.
Very successful over many years.
Very, very successful. And, there has been no more successful football manager in the UK for 13 straight years. But it's interesting how it all fell apart when he left. Yeah. So what do you leave behind you if that is your leadership style? Unless you're there, the iconic leader who can do everything, it falls apart.
When I think about the Alex Ferguson thing, I think the ability to keep that command and control for so many years, when you think about the number of people he has to influence, it's quite a small number really because it's a football team. Yeah. Whereas actually if you take a chief executive that uses that hairdryer approach everywhere, I think it's much less likely to have results.